Welcome to Blessed Hands by Lillian. This is Lillian. I just did a video on my bin haul, and I showed a whole lot of items that I purchased in the last from Friday till is now Monday, but Friday to Sunday. And last Friday, I went to another bin location, and it was, I still think it was $10 a day. It was either $10 or $12 a day at this location. And I forgot, it skipped my mind until after I finished the video and I was walking past this item. And then I was like, oh, I forgot to put this in my video. So I'm going to put this in a separate video and to show you this item that I bought. Well, I was over at a friend's house that does crafts, and she was showing me her badge maker, where she can make these different badges and everything. And I was telling her, I said, a long time ago, I wanted to have a badge, one of these badge makers, to be able to make different badges my own self. Well, lo and behold, I go and I'm walking around in the bin store, and what I find is this box. It's a DIY badge maker. I'll go over to the sides like this. That's one side of the box, and I think it might have a theme because it has these little bears and stuff on there, and so you get an option. One of those three colors is in this box. It doesn't tell you anywhere. Like over here it says colors, and it gives you, would have been real nice if this was been a pink one, but it gives you a blue, like a royal blue, a lime green, a red, and looks like purple and a pink. And then it gives you sizes. It's either 75 millimeter, 58 millimeter, 44 millimeter, 37, 32, or 25. And the model number is 108, but it's called DIY Badge Maker. Now, I'm not going to be making any badges tonight. I just wanted to show and share what was in here. Now, it came, this book, and it says something I can't pronounce. MK Bear, Make a Zion, and Friends, whoever that is. But what I looked at in this book is there's circles. So it almost looked like you can cut these circles out, and it's the exact size for this. But I won't be doing this because I don't want some of these. Let me find a couple of pictures to show what I'm talking about. See that circle right there is probably the exact dimensions of the badge maker. And then you got the other side, so it gives you a big picture, and then it gives you another picture, and then you can read the story. And it doesn't really tell you anything, but I'm assuming that that's what it is when you get to one of these pictures, you can cut the pictures out. But I'm not going to be using that. I'm just going to be using the badge maker. Now, on one of the boxes, like I said, it shows you 75, 58, 44, 37, 32, 25. Well, on this box, it says 75. So, and that looks like that's the largest sides. And what it gives you in the box is this piece here. And I guess this piece sits on top of, and then it already has a badge, and it says DC 75, so that I'm assuming you put it on there, put it inside there, and it looked like all of these pieces come off and set up. And I'm not going to do that right now. I just wanted to share this item. I forgot about it, and I wanted to share it. And as they say, once I get everything situated, I'm going to play with this one as well. I already have my hat, my hat press that I haven't used. I opened it and showed it, you know, being opened and everything, but I haven't used it yet. But I bought my hats and everything, so this will be one more item to add to things that I need to get going. But needless to say, now I can make some badges. So that's a 75. Then it gives you these clear little acetate pieces, and then it looks like it's clear white cardstock already cut into this circle, that circle size. And then it gives you bags of these, and no, it doesn't say 75 on the back of them, but that other one did. And this is with the clips on the back of them. And then here's another bag. So it gives you 2 big bags full of clips. And then your tools that you need. And then it gives you 2 big bags of these to make the actual badge. And then it gives you an adjustable circle cutter so that you can cut a circle with the exact size that you need. And then it's green is the actual machine. So I'll take it out, show you what it looks like. And this is the badge machine, and all the rest of it attaches to it. And right now I'm not going to attach it because I'm not ready to work on it yet, but I wanted to share it. Put it back in this way. But if you haven't noticed already, I like gadgets. And then my instructions tell me what, let me see, that's in, no, that's in English as well. Button maker machine operation method, and it tells you how to connect it, how to put it all together, the assembly of it, troubleshooting guide, and I'll go through all of that when I'm ready to use it. Right now I just wanted to show the product and show what was inside the box. This is not going to be a long video here. This is just going to be a quick kind of show what's in the box type deal. But I didn't want to forget. And of course it came from Amazon. Yeah, it came from Amazon. So I just wanted to show that box. And now see, I have a little badge maker, and I think, like I said, I either paid $10 or $12 for this box, because when I walked up to it and I said, badge maker? Badge maker. Oh, one of those badge makers. I instantly thought about my friend that had one, and I said, okay, if I have any issues, I can always call her and ask her, because she makes the badges all the time. So I look forward to being able to call her probably this week and tell her that I got a badge maker now, and we can get together and she can show me some things that she does that the instructions don't tell you. So enough for that video. One more time, I'll show the pictures. Pretty nice size box. Pretty heavy kind of box. But enough for this video now. Thank you for watching. Like the video. Share the video. Comment on the video. If you have one of these, comment on it. Let me know some of the things that you've made. I know I'm going to have to go find me some YouTube videos on that, on the badge maker, and look at. So I'll be probably doing that sometime when I get a chance. I'll just put it on my TV while I'm making stuff or while I'm cleaning up. I'll just put it on the TV and let it play and I can listen. And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, I'm asking you to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I believe I'm at like 913 or 914, something like that. I would greatly appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. Look forward to seeing you in other videos. Having a great and awesome day, morning, evening, depending on what time it is that you're watching this video. God loves you, and so do I. Stay blessed. Bye.